Grabe, sobrang nakakamiss din talaga ito mga Lods. Panoorin natin.
You as a lawyer know better than any of us how important this principle of innocent until proved guilty is.
Look, Padilla said 2 years ago, there are 3 million addicts in this country. That was the last figure. Nobody cared to find out. Now it's my time. So, 2 years ago, between 2 years ago and now, how many do you think were hooked into drugs? Let us give it incremental increase of about, just be liberal about 700,000. So 3,700,000. And the confirmed 600,000 now was surrendered and took the test for drug addiction. How do you call it? Just a problem? Is just a police problem? Or is it really a crisis for this country? It's not even epidemic, my friend. It is pandemic. So what am I supposed to do as a president? Empower the military and the police, for after all, they are there to protect the integrity and preserve the people of the Philippines.
At the risk of gun law, sir.
It can happen. It happens in America. They're shooting the blacks there. It shows on TV. It shows on TV. What's the difference between America and the Philippines? Nothing. So what is surprising here is surprising to us. We say policemen, they're shooting a black guy there. How many times had it happened in the past? That's why you have the violent demonstration. So, would it surprise you and me? Almost the same. 1 case only, 3 cases here. So what? It involves the same principle. Say, for every 1 black there dead, you have about 5 here. And so, does it make this world more livable because there is less killing? When you shoot a black there dead, what is that? Is that not appalling? When you bomb Syria and Iraq, and you kill communities, and you kill children and old people and hospital, what is it? And why is it that United States is not doing anything? I do not read anybody in that stupid body complaining about the stench there of that. Look at the iconic boy that was taken out from the rubble. And he was made to sit in the ambulance. And we saw it. So what's the difference? Life of a criminal, or maybe he was really rubbed out? We cannot discount it. But what do you think that Americans did to the black people there? Is that not rubbing out also? I say, well, it was just one community there, one state of America. Well, but you have there about 10. So what's the difference? Are we here for the counting or the basic principles of human rights? Almost the same.
Wala no? Sunog ang taga-Amerika. Ay, grabe, nakakamiss. Nakakamiss yung mga ganyang banat, yung mga ganyang paninindigan, di ba? Ay, grabe. No, talagang mararamdaman mo ang puso. Mararamdaman mo ang concern, no, ni former President Duterte sa bansa natin. Tama, no? Kumbaga dati, parang baliwala lang sa mga Pilipino, no, sa mga politiko, sa mga leaders ng bansa, yung pagdami ng mga addict. Pero if you see the figures, grabe, ang dami pala talagang addict sa droga. And grabe, alam talaga ni former President Duterte ang kanyang ginagawa. Nakakamiss lang kasi even US, no, even United States of America, walang masasabi kasi sunog na sunog sila pag si former President Duterte na ang bumanat. Kaya talagang nakakamiss din, no? Nakakamiss talaga yung kamay na bakal, yung, di ba, yung matatakot yung mga gagamit ng droga, no? Matatakot yung mga addict. Kasi sa totoo lang mga Lods ngayon, ang dami ko mga naririnig na mga storya na nagbagong buhay na dating addict, nagbagong buhay, pero ngayon, gumamit ulit, nakulong. Grabe, nakikita nyo na right now, no? Kumbaga, dito natin maa-appreciate kung ano yung hakbang na ginagawa ni former president before pagdating sa droga. Pero wala di ba? Yung drug queen, yung drug queen na si Dilima, nakalabas pa. Grabe, no?